Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce ourselves. My name is Emi Habibatul Rizkia.
My name is Kalisha Farinda Saputri.
My name is Talita Sahda Zakia Hadi.
We are from Kelas C. We'd like to take this opportunity to share our reflection and our English learning during the 16 meetings we've had with Mom Mutiara. We created this video as a part of our reflections, affirmation, and as documentation of our learning journey over nearly a semester.
Capek.
Oh yeah, Nita, do you guys have a moment? I want to talk about experience learning English with Mom Mutiara. I writing reflection, so let's just to have remember everything.
Sure, I have a lot of story too. How about we start discuss our first meeting on August 18th? Oh, that's online class, right? Honestly, I was a bit surprised. Miss Mutiara spoke in full English within the first 5 minutes. It's very fast.
Right, Sam here. I thought like, wow, this is going to be tough. I was confused to understand. Trying she want me.
Luckily, Mom Mutiara realized that we still adapting. She immediately give a question to make sure we understand, and then she slow her speaking and mix a bit of Indonesian. But that actually made me feel comfortable right away. She explained the semester plan, so we knew what to further prepare.
Okay, let's move on to August 25. That was the reason was healthy, right?
Yeah. That day we listened to an audio and practicing pronunciation and translation to difficult words. I like the material because I had many daily life like cycling, eating healthy food, and so on. Yes, and we were asked to reread the material to get the points. But it was fun because we are learning to new vocabulary.
Okay, how about the meeting on September 1st? The one talked about sleep rentals at night.
I think that was the difficult material because we easy to understand, and Mom Mutiara didn't give the much theory, but she gave pronunciation and translation difficult word. So we could connect with the material right way. The audio was also very helpful for the listening practice.
Okay, next September 22nd, the one about the secret of the long lifespan of Japanese people.
Oh, the part where we were divided into home group. It was really fun because one group had 5 people and one person just understand one paragraph. Oh, right. everyone had to responsibility to explain the materials to others. From that lesson, I learned the Japanese people live long life because they are walk a lot and eat healthy food.
Okay, and then the following week, September 29, we continue that material.
Mamutiara went around to each group to check if we confused, and she explained to each right away. And my favorite part is playing Kahoot. It's a very competitive, but also a bit tense.
Even though our group didn't win, we became more motivated to stay focused and answer quickly.
Overall, what do you think about learning with Miss Mutiara?
And if we were learning activities, there was listening, speaking, writing, games, and group discussion. Even everything was complete.
I agree. She always smiled, greet us, and asked how we are doing. Make the class less tense. I also like that she never gets angry when we mistake. She potentially explain everything again until we really understand.
But do you guys have any suggestions?
I do have a few talks. Participation plays usually go to students who raise their hands often. I feel bad for those who understand but are too shy to speak. Joe, maybe she could try to taking system or calls on student randomly so everyone gets a chance, or maybe we could discuss in pair or small group first to build confidence.
I agree, and if we were give small rewards like extra point or small prizes, we'd be have more excited.
Yeah, week 5 and 9 and 6 were off because he was sick and attending a workshop. I was worried we would fall behind. And week 7 and 8 were really fun because there were many group discussion and games. The learning life light but still easy to absorb.
But when we got back to class, Ma'am Mutiara immediately continued the material clearly without making us feel rushed, still tension as always.
Yes, I agree, and hopefully we all became brave to speak English. I hope she stay healthy too. Amen.
Basically, I hope that until week 16, the learning remains as enjoyable as this. I also prefer offline class because it's easier to understand. By the way, out of all the meetings we had, which part do you guys think was the most memorable?
For me, it was when we did the home group sessions, talking about the long lifespan of Japanese people, because that was the first time I really had to explain it to friends. I was nervous, but it was fun. Yeah, that was really fun for me. I like the listening part because it made us used to hearing real conversation.
For me personally, I like when we played Kahoot the most, even though I did not win. The competitive vibe made the class come alive. It felt like everyone was focused.
Oh yeah, did you notice? Every meeting, Mama Tiara always bring positive energy. Even when the material was kinda difficult, the atmosphere stay light. True, and she also always checks our understanding one by one. That made us feel carried forward.
I also feel like my speaking ability has improved. I used to be really shy to speak English, but now if I am asked to speak, I am more confident.
Same, even though my grammar is still messy. Mama Tiara always says, don't worry, keep trying. That makes me more motivated. Do you guys feel like now we're more comfortable discussing using mixed English and Indonesian, even though not full English yet? Good thing. But it's very fluent.
Yes, that's because non-Mutiara often even infinite used to talk using English at the beginning of class, so gradually we got used to it.
I'm also happy because she often gives real life example from daily life, so the lesson was just theory.
I used to be rarely say to speak English, but now if I am asked to speak, I am more confident.
Same, even though my grammar is still messy. My Momo Tiara always says, don't worry, keep trying. That makes me more motivated. Do you guys feel like now we're more comfortable discussing using mix of English and Indonesian, even though not full English yet, but it's very fluent?
Yes, that's because non-Mutiara often invites used to talk using English at the beginning of class, so gradually we get used to it.
I'm also happy because she often gives real life example from daily life, so the lesson is not just theory.
My hope is by week 16 we can be more active and dare to ask whenever we do not understand.
Exactly, and I hope there will be more fun activities like role plays or mini speaking challenge. I totally agree. So we can become fluent in speaking English without being afraid of making mistakes. Yeah.
Finally, what's important is we stay enthusiastic and do not give up easily because actually learning English is fun when it's taught the right way.
And of course, we are lucky to have such a great teacher like Mom Mutiara. I hope she always given health and spirit to teach. I mean, let's keep strong too and let's keep improving our English together. Yay! In closing, we would like to express our deepest gratitude to Miss Mutiara for her graduates and dedication throughout the 16 meetings. The lesson we learned were not only about English but also about learning with greater confidence, active participants, and progress to try.
We also thank our classmates who always worked together and support each other throughout the learning process. We hope what we have learned will serve as a foundation for us to continue developing and improving our English skill in the future.
This concludes our learning reflection. Thank you for watching this video to the end. We hope it has been helpful and serve as a reminder of learning journey this semester.
Thank you.
you.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you so much for your all guidance, patience, and kindness throughout this semester, Ma'am Mutiara. Because of your teaching, I'm not only gained knowledge but also enthusiasm, motivation, and a deeper understanding of the material. I'm so grateful to have had the opportunity to learn with you. Each lesson from you has been inspiring and helped me gain more confidence in learning English. I hope all your kindness and dedication will be rewarded abundantly. Thank you very much, Ma'am Mutiara.
Thank you so much to Mama Tiara for guiding us during this semester in English class. Mama Tiara always explain the lesson clearly, provides helpful examples, and create a comfortable and supportive learning environment. I truly appreciate her patience, dedication, and input which have helped me grow. Thank you for all the knowledge and kindness you have shared. I pray that you will always be healthy, happy, and successful in all that you do.
Dear Miss Mutiara, today we would like to take a moment to sincerely thank you for guiding us through a wonderful semester of English class. Your patience, your passion for teaching, and the way you always encourage us to keep improving truly mean a lot to us. You didn't just teach us the English language, you helped us build confidence, develop better communication skill, and understand the importance of consistent in learning. Each lesson felt valuable because you always made the class warm, interactive, and enjoyable. We are grateful for the time and energy and care you have devoted to us. Thank you for believing in us, and even when we doubted ourselves, we hope that all the kindness and knowledge you have shared will return to you in many wonderful ways. Thank you very much, Miss Mutiara. We appreciate everything you've done for us.